Having trouble signing into your My Rogers account? It's a common frustration. This section breaks down the most frequent causes, specifically related to passwords, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and CAPTCHAs. First, Rogers has recently implemented stricter password policies, requiring changes every 90 days for inactive accounts and a minimum of 12 characters with complexity. If you haven't updated your password recently, that might be the issue. Second, Rogers has enhanced its 2FA, with many users now using authenticator apps or passkeys. Problems can arise from expired 2FA codes. They're only valid for 30 seconds, or network issues. Finally, Rogers uses CAPTCHAs to prevent bot access, but these can sometimes fail, especially if you're using a VPN or older device. We will also look at outdated applications as being a potential cause for sign-in issues. Knowing these key areas, passwords, 2FA, and CAPTCHAs, helps narrow down what's preventing your access. Start with the basics. Double-check your Rogers username and password. Make sure caps lock isn't on. If you suspect a password issue, use the Forgot Password option to reset it, creating a new, strong password meeting Rogers requirements. For 2FA issues, ensure your authenticator app is synced correctly and that you're entering the code promptly. If you're using SMS 2FA, make sure you have good cell service. If CAPTCHAs are the problem, try disabling your VPN or ad blocker temporarily, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or using a different browser or device. Also, make sure you have the latest app version. Rogers also offers an in-app troubleshooting wizard in the latest version of the My Rogers app, version 9.5 or later. If these steps don't work, reach out to Rogers 24/7 chat support or consult their community forums for further assistance. Remember to try on another device.